So in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can personalize cards within Business Central. Now, a card could be anything from an item card to a customer card. Doesn't really matter what it is, they all work in the same way. For this example, we're going to look at this Paris guest chair. The reason that I'm using an item is because there's quite a lot of fields to play with, okay? So when we're in an item, there's a couple of different views on each of these item areas depending on whether something is collapsed or expanded, okay? We've then also got the option to show more if we want to reveal the fields that aren't opened when we initially drop down on this section of the item card. What we're going to look at here is how we can specify what is shown where. So I'm going to click on Personalize, and then I'm going to click on, I'm going to use item category as an example, okay? So at the moment, okay, item category is shown whenever we drop down on the menu, but what I want to do is I want to also show it when this menu is collapsed. So let's click on Show When Collapsed, which now means that when I click on the item, we've got that item category code at the top here there, okay? I can do the same with base unit of measure, so let's just say Show When Collapsed to add that in as well, okay? We can now also decide whether this is included when we open the panel or whether it only appears when we click Show More. So if I click on item category code and say that I only want to see it when I click Show More, I can click that there, which will take it out of that initial drop down and will move it into the Show More section there. So as I say, only a small thing, but likely something that may be useful to you, especially if you're wanting to at least get a glance of the key information without having to navigate through all of the fields within specific cards.